you made a video called The Struggles of Being Trilingual or something like that. And you were talking in German, in Tagalog, and in English. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I've never seen anyone speak those three languages. And it just so happened that those were the languages that I either spoke or was learning. And so I was like so surprised. And I was like, oh, that's so cool. I got to talk to this guy. Like, ilang ang salita na kaya mo?
Tagalog, English, German kasi yun yung my first languages. Yung Spanish pag kailangan. French, yeah, that's a lost language. Korean, nung tumira ako sa Korea, nakakapagsalita naman ako. Pero Konglish, hindi ako mahilig mag-aral. So, ano talaga lang, barok na Korean. Tapos yung Turkish, nag-aral ako sa university ng isang sem. Yeah, yun lang. Tapos marami akong natutunan nung dati. Hindi ko na alam.
It's a weird combination to speak English, Tagalog, German, and Spanish because like those four, apart from English and German, they're all different language families and really distant language families.